Summer is the perfect time for a refreshing and delicious salad like a tomato and cucumber salad. This is super easy to make in just a couple minutes. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a refreshing cucumber and tomato salad that's speckled with some red onion and cheese. It's super simple to make. Let's get started. So to start our tomato and cucumber salad or cucumber tomato salad, we're going to add some cherry or grape tomatoes. I just sliced these in half, and I actually like to use like a variety of tomatoes. So we have some yellow and orange and red tomatoes, but you can use all red cherry tomatoes if you like. And I like to cut them in half so the juices get interspersed into the dressing. And then I have an English cucumber. I like the English cucumbers because they don't really have a lot of seeds inside, so you don't have to scoop out the seeds and you don't have to peel the skin. If you have a regular cucumber, you're gonna wanna take off some of that peel. And then we're gonna add the cheese. I like this tiny little mozzarella balls. These are awesome for salads because they toss together really well and you get like the perfect bite in every forkful. Some red onion, finely diced, and then we're gonna add our herbs. I have lots of fresh chopped dill that's now all over my fingers. Some parsley, the garlic, we have finely minced garlic, and always season your salad with salt and pepper. So we're just gonna give this a quick stir just to combine it a little bit. Once you have it pretty well combined, we're going to whisk together our ingredients for the dressing. So I like to keep this dressing fairly clean, and we have just staple pantry ingredients. So I have some vinegar, some cayenne pepper, just for a little heat. You can't really taste it too much, it just gives it a little extra depth of flavor. Some Italian spices, salt and pepper again, because you want to also season your dressing, not just the salad. And some pepper. We have some honey here. Kind of counterbalances the heat from the cayenne, and that's why it's not super spicy. It just doesn't want to come out. If you're ever measuring honey, you can spray your measuring cup with some cooking spray or like a little slick of olive oil, do the trick. And then we're going to whisk in our olive oil. So you want to continually whisk your ingredients as you're drizzling it in. It'll start to thicken up a little bit. You're creating like an emulsion, and just keep whisking so your vinaigrette doesn't break. It should look cloudy. Now we're just gonna pour our dressing over our salad. And that's it. See how easy that was? This is like the perfect summer salad. Now I'm going to take a bite. It's so good. I want a piece of that cheese with a tomato. 2 pieces of cheese. It's so good. Lightly tangy from the dressing, and the tomatoes are so fresh and summery and perfect. This salad will knock your socks off. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.